The Inergy Apex has an 1100 watt-hour lithium-ion battery and a 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter. Understanding how these components work together will help you know what to expect from the system. Why does Inergy suggest a 550 watt discharge rate when the inverter is rated at 1500 watts output? Lithium batteries, like every kind of battery, are affected by how quickly they are both charged and discharged. The faster the battery is discharged, the less overall battery capacity you are able to access. The faster the battery is discharged, the fewer cycles in the battery's life. Even Panasonic and Samsung, the world's top two lithium-ion battery manufacturers, state their batteries experience less overall battery capacity when discharged at faster rates. Think of it like driving a car on the highway. Driving at 65 miles per hour will give you much better gas mileage than driving at 90 miles per hour. By driving slower, you're able to go farther on one tank of gas, and your car won't wear out as fast. And of course, it's the same with electric cars. Tesla, the leading electric car brand, warns drivers that engaging ludicrous mode will cause accelerated wear of the battery. Many solar generator manufacturers simply state that under heavy use, you may not get the full battery capacity. We wanted to provide a baseline discharge rate that will allow you to access the battery capacity more fully. A 550 watt discharge rate will allow you to access the 1100 watt-hour capacity and will also help your battery last longer, up to 2000 cycles. Remember, discharging your battery at the fastest possible rate is like driving your car at the fastest possible speed. It will wear out faster. The Apex battery can deliver up to 1700 watts of power with 1500 watts of AC and 200 watts of DC. But by using the Apex for intended applications, you will maximize battery capacity and enjoy a longer lifespan. The Inergy Apex is designed to be the most compact, lightest, mobile plug-and-play solar generator there is. We backed the Apex with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. We've got your back. If you have any more questions and concerns,